Spotless floors, smooth operations. The benefits of factory floor cleaning machines. Introduction. Every factory owner recognizes the importance of maintaining cleanliness and hygiene within their facilities. In the bustling city of Sydney, Industrial Vacuums and Engineering stands out as a beacon of innovative cleaning solutions. This piece aims to highlight the importance and benefits of factory floor cleaning machines in maintaining spotless floors for smooth operations. The necessity of commercial floor cleaning machines. Managing cleanliness in commercial spaces, particularly factories, can pose a great challenge. Traditional cleaning methods often fall short of tackling the magnitude of the task. Dirt, debris, and spillages can accumulate quickly, creating an unsafe and unhygienic environment. This is where commercial floor cleaning machines step in, acting as an efficient and effective solution. They tackle the issues head-on, ensuring high standards of cleanliness that manual cleaning can't achieve. 3. Benefits of factory floor cleaning machines. Factory floor cleaning machines offer several significant benefits. Firstly, they enhance the cleanliness and hygiene of the factory floors, fostering a healthier working environment. Automated cleaning ensures a consistent level of cleanliness, increasing productivity by minimizing the time taken to manually clean these large spaces. Factory floors can wear out quickly due to heavy machinery and foot traffic. Regular and efficient cleaning with these machines reduces maintenance costs, extending the lifespan of factory floors. They also ensure safety by thoroughly cleaning and drying floors, preventing slip and fall accidents. One such instance where those benefits are visible is the work done by Industrial Vacuums and Engineering. Their effective solutions have helped numerous factories maintain high cleanliness standards. Choosing the right factory floor cleaning machine. Choosing the right factory floor cleaning machine in the bustling environment of the factory. Cleanliness is not just about aesthetics, it's about safety and efficiency too. Among the many tools at your disposal, the factory floor cleaning machine stands as a frontline warrior in maintaining cleanliness. However, the decision-making process for the right machine isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. Several variables come into play, such as the type of floor, the size of the factory, and your set budget. Understanding these elements is crucial in making an informed choice. 1. Assess the type of floor. The first step to choosing the right factory floor cleaning machine is understanding the type of floor your factory has. Different floor materials and finishes require different cleaning methods. For instance, a hard concrete floor may need an industrial-grade scrubber, while a vinyl composite tile (VCT) floor might require a soft touch to prevent damage. 2. Size of the factory. The size of your factory floor is another significant factor. Larger factories might require more powerful, commercial-grade cleaning machines, or even multiple machines to cover the area efficiently. In contrast, smaller factories may get by with more compact, maneuverable models. Understanding the square footage that needs cleaning will help guide your choice. 3. Cleaning efficiency. Time is a critical resource in the industrial sector. The efficiency of a factory floor cleaning machine directly impacts your cleaning routine's speed and effectiveness. Machines with larger cleaning parts and advanced features can reduce cleaning time and enhance efficiency, which could justify a higher upfront cost for long-term benefits. 4. Budget and industrial vacuum cleaner price. A crucial aspect to consider is your budget and the industrial vacuum cleaner's price. While it's important not to compromise on essential features and functionality, there's also a need to ensure value for money. A balance must be struck between price and effectiveness. Remember, a higher price model with superior features and durability may offer better value in the long run by reducing maintenance costs and downtime. 5. Maintenance and lifespan. Every machine requires maintenance, and factory floor cleaning machines are no different. The ease of maintenance and the lifespan of the machine should be a deciding factor in your purchase. Machines that are easy to maintain and have a longer lifespan may cost more initially, but they can save money over time. 6. Consult with professionals. Last but not least, it never hurts to seek professional advice. Manufacturers and sellers of factory floor cleaning machines are often well equipped to suggest models that best suit your needs. They can provide insights into the latest technologies and features you may not have considered, helping you make the best choice. Making the right choice in factory floor cleaning machines is an investment in your factory's cleanliness, safety, and efficiency. By carefully considering the factors mentioned above, you can ensure you make an informed choice that meets your factory's unique needs. Vacuums and Engineering. Best vacuum company in Sydney. Industrial Vacuums and Engineering, Sydney's leading vacuum company, offers a range of premium cleaning solutions. They are committed to providing high-quality, cost-effective factory floor cleaning machines that meet the needs of every industrial workspace. Their customers' success stories and testimonials reflect the high level of satisfaction and appreciation for their service. In conclusion, factory floor cleaning machines offer a plethora of benefits from maintaining high standards of hygiene and cleanliness to ensuring safety and productivity. Industrial vacuums and engineering's innovative solutions stand as a testament to these benefits. Investing in professional, industrial-grade cleaning solutions for factory floors is an essential step towards smooth operations and a healthy working environment. So, step into a cleaner future with factory floor cleaning machines, an investment that ensures spotless floors and smooth operations. Let the professionals at Industrial Vacuums and Engineering guide you on this journey toward a cleaner, safer, and more productive industrial workspace.